this is Max Silver, and welcome to January. I see lots of videos dedicated to solar power in places like Texas and California, and I start to wonder what is the relevance to people in the UK. We've just been through November and December 2024, a time of almost entirely grey skies and no real appreciable solar input on my solar system. And not only that, the trees that provide shade over my garden at this time of the year impact on the solar input that I would otherwise get. But there are things that you can do to maximise solar in the spring, because that's my main project for this year, to extend the time when solar panels completely control what's going on in my house. Oh look, there's a fox. Hello, Foxy. These panels are flat because we've had 50-mile-an-hour winds around here, and this setup has not blown off the top of my building. Today I have decided to repair my main solar power stand, which has been very successful actually. It holds up to 3 separate standard size solar panels, so it's been able to generate up to 360 watts at one time. But my fault, there is a design flaw, which means it's been drooping a bit, which means that this top solar panel, which should be at a nice height, has been drooping a bit. So I've got it in to see if I can sort that out. This stand is made with pretty sturdy wood. These are, as you can see, fence posts, and these are things that you would drive into the ground with fence posts. But these are very useful because I use the holes here to fix into the drain outside. And this fixing has stood up to 60-mile-an-hour winds, although it's true to say that I think anything too bad, you just put the solar panel stand on the ground. It's the safest way. The brackets I use to attach the solar panels are standard ones that you can get on the internet. These ones are energy, and they come in various sizes that either help you extend where the solar panel is so that it's not shaded out by the one above it, or in this case to enable the panels to be moved up and down the actual height of the stand. There are lots of screws that hold this together, but it has to be said this particular idea was not my best design solution. I'm a novice woodworker at best. So the purpose of doing this today is that at the start of spring and at the start of autumn, at a time where I am not getting enough solar power into my system, having this properly erect and maybe a little taller is going to really help get as much solar power into my system as possible. Key thing being to get this to be rather better than it currently is. What do you reckon? I reckon these should do the job. They're certainly pretty solid. So this bracket actually did do the job and has made the stand properly upright. Let's be truthful about solar panel systems. Unless you've got solar panels facing north, which is a stupid idea, you will normally get enough into your systems in the summer if you've got the balance of panels and battery storage right. But what do you do about spring and autumn? When is the earliest time you can make your system fully efficient? So this has been a big success because the two panels are now facing directly towards early morning sunshine, and in January, this is mid-January, you cannot really expect to get much more than this, so I'm happy with this.
Intensity, it took a